Welcome back, dear explorers, to another episode of Jeju Diaries. Tonight, we're venturing into a place where the stars come alive and the mysteries of the cosmos are at your fingertips. Join us as we explore the dazzling Jeju Starlight World Park and Planetarium. Inside, the adventure continues. The park houses a dedicated science and cultural area that educates visitors about the vastness of space. Young minds can learn about the science behind floating objects. It's good to see education taking such a dynamic form. From planetary scales that let you feel the weight of worlds to photo zones where you can snap a souvenir with an astronaut, there are several photo zones here where you can take memorable pictures of this trip. The park's design is like stepping onto another planet. Its futuristic, space-themed structures are not just a feast for the eyes, but also ignite the imagination of all, especially the young aspiring astronauts among us. And here's a fun fact. Did you know how much you'd weigh on Mars or Jupiter? These planetary scales not only answer that, but also give a tangible sense of the different gravities across our solar system. The outdoor spaces here offer more than just stunning views. They are a gateway to understanding our universe. As the sun sets on Jeju, a different kind of light show begins. Here at the Starlight World Park, both tourists and locals find themselves drawn to its unique nighttime allure. In 4D movie theater, motion simulators and 3D stereoscopic images blend to transport you beyond the skies, where you can feel the rumble of a rocket launch and the thrill of space travel right from your seat. Our stellar journey wouldn't be complete without a stop at the Planetarium. Under this dome, the universe unfolds in all its celestial glory. Constellations, galaxies, and more, visible any time of year, regardless of the weather outside. As our night at Jeju Starlight World Park and Planetarium draws to a close, we carry with us a renewed sense of wonder at the vastness of our universe. Whether you're a budding astronomer or just a starry-eyed dreamer, this is a place where the stars are always within reach. Thank you for joining us on this celestial adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tales from Jeju Diaries. Until next time, keep looking up and exploring the wonders around you.